Trying to choose between Kajabi and Podia for your courses, memberships, and digital products? In this video, we will break down the features, pricing, ease of use, and more so that you can confidently pick the best platform for your business. Before we get started, I do have a special offer for you. Usually Kajabi offers a 14-day free trial, but if you sign up through my link, you're going to get a 30-day free trial instead. On top of that, you'll receive my Kajabi Jumpstart course and premium Notion templates that are worth over $900, and you're going to get all of that for free. So don't forget to check the link in the description and claim your bonuses. All right, so let's dive into the video. If you're already aware of these two platforms, that's great. But if you are new, let me give you a brief overview of both platforms. So Kajabi is a comprehensive platform designed for entrepreneurs and content creators to build, market, and sell online courses, membership sites, and other digital products. It offers a suite of tools including website building, email marketing, and analytics, enabling users to manage their business operations from a single dashboard. Kajabi is known for its robust features and scalability, making it a popular choice for those seeking an all-in-one solution for their online business needs. Podia, on the other hand, is a user-friendly platform that allows creators to sell online courses, memberships, and digital downloads. It emphasizes simplicity and ease of use, providing features such as website creation, email marketing, and affiliate management. Podia is a popular choice among beginners and those looking for a simple, affordable solution for their online business. Now let's dive into comparing the features of these two platforms. First, we have course creation and management. Kajabi and Podia both offer course creation and management tools, but in different ways. Kajabi gives you a complete suite of tools to design, structure, and customize your course. You can create modules, add videos, include quizzes, and even drip feed your content to students over time. What sets Kajabi apart is its robust customization option. You can tailor the course experience to match your branding and make it feel like your own. Podia, while functional, is more basic in this area. Course creation is straightforward, but it lacks the depth and customization that Kajabi provides. It's great if you're just starting out and don't need anything fancy, but if you want a polished professional look, Kajabi clearly takes the lead. Next, we have the website and landing pages. Kajabi really shines here. It offers stunning, high-converting templates for websites and landing pages. Whether you're promoting a course, a webinar, or a membership, you can easily create pages that not only look great, but also perform well. The drag and drop editor is intuitive, and you have full control over your site's design and functionality. Podia also lets you build landing pages, but the designs are limited compared to Kajabi. You can get a functional page up and running quickly, but it won't have the same polish or flexibility. If you're serious about building a brand, Kajabi is the clear winner. Next, we have the marketing tools. Both platforms offer email marketing features to help you promote your products and communicate with your audience. Kajabi's email marketing is robust with advanced segmentation and automation capabilities. It's got built-in email marketing, funnels, and automation. With Kajabi, you can set up sophisticated marketing campaigns like sending targeted emails based on user behavior and nurturing leads through automated sequences. Now, these tools can save you tons of time and help you grow your business more effectively. Podia offers email marketing too, but it's pretty basic. I mean, you can send newsletters and announcements, but you won't get the same level of automation or segmentation. If marketing is a priority for you, then Kajabi is the better option by far. Lastly, let's talk about the memberships and communities. Both Kajabi and Podia offer membership site capabilities to host exclusive content and build a community around your products. Kajabi has a built-in community feature that feels a lot like a private social network. Your members can interact, post, and engage directly on your site, creating a more immersive experience. Now, this is perfect if you want to foster a sense of connection among your audience. Podia's membership feature is simpler. It's effective for offering exclusive content or perks to subscribers, but it doesn't have the same depth or engagement options. One area where Podia does have an edge is simplicity. It's super easy to use. The platform has a clean layout that makes it quick to set up and start using, even if you're new to creating digital products. You don't need any special skills to navigate Podia, which is perfect if you want something straightforward. It's great for setting up courses, memberships, or digital products without spending too much time figuring things out. Kajabi is also easy to use, but offers more advanced features. It might take a little longer to get comfortable with, but once you do, it can handle more complex needs as your business grows. Kajabi is built to support creators who want to scale up and offer tools that can grow with you. While Podia is ideal for quick and simple setups, Kajabi gives you more options and flexibility if you're willing to spend some time learning how it works. Now, pricing is a crucial factor to consider when choosing between Kajabi and Podia. Both platforms offer monthly and annual plans, so you can choose what fits your budget. Now, Kajabi offers 4 pricing options, each designed for different needs. The Kickstarter plan is $69 a month and great for beginners. It gives you just what you need to start, like one product, one website, and space for up to 250 contacts. The basic plan costs $149 a month and works well for small businesses. It gives extra features to help your business grow. The growth plan is $199 a month and perfect for businesses that want to grow. It lets you manage up to 15 products, handle 25,000 contacts, and use unlimited marketing tools. Now, the Pro plan is $399 a month and is designed for big businesses. It supports up to 100 products, 100,000 contacts, and 3 websites, making it great for advanced needs. Kajabi doesn't charge transaction fees, so you get to keep all of the money that you make. Podia, on the other hand, offers 2 pricing options. The Mover plan costs $39 a month and comes with a 5% transaction fee. This plan provides essential features like a website, an online store, email marketing, unlimited products, a blog, a custom domain, and 7-day-a-week support. However, it does not include affiliate marketing, which might be a limitation for some users. The Shaker plan is priced at $89 a month and removes transaction fees entirely. It includes all of the features of the Mover plan, and it adds affiliate marketing, making it a more comprehensive option for creators who want to expand their reach. Now, when it comes to value, it's clear that Podia is the more affordable option. Its Mover and Shaker plans provide essential features for creators at a much lower cost. However, Kajabi stands out for its more in-depth features and scalability. Even the Kickstarter plan at $69 a month offers features that are more advanced than Podia's Shaker plan at $89 a month. Kajabi provides a level of functionality that is better suited for creators who want to build a professional long-term business. Finally, let's talk about support because, let's face it, tech issues can happen. Now, Kajabi has 24/7 chat support along with tutorials, webinars, and guides to help you out. If you're dealing with a technical issue or you just need tips to grow your business, Kajabi's team is quick to respond and very helpful. Kajabi also offers Kajabi University, a dedicated resource filled with in-depth training and lessons to help you make the most of the platform. Podia also has a friendly support team, but it doesn't offer 24/7 availability. Their resources are solid, and their team is known for being approachable, but the level of support doesn't quite match Kajabi's round-the-clock assistance. So that's it for this comparison video. If you're looking for a platform that combines ease of use, powerful features, and top-notch support, then Kajabi is clearly the best choice. Now, if you want to sign up for Kajabi, use my link in the description below. So if you sign up you're going to get an extended 30-day free trial instead of the regular 14 days. Plus, I'm including my Kajabi Jumpstart course for free and premium Notion templates worth over $900 to help you get started right away. So just click the link in the description below to grab your free trial and bonuses now. If you have any questions or you have any thoughts, be sure to drop them in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.